Hi, it's Joyce, the Energy Lady. I am super excited, really excited, to announce that our forgiveness online class is now available. Now, this is something I have been wanting to make available for everybody everywhere for a very long time. And the reason for that is because forgiveness heals. When you forgive, you let go of things that have been hurting you, been eating at you, been hounding at you and pulling you down. And literally, I've seen lives change from forgiveness. And you know what? The first thing you learn to forgive is yourself. And many people have a really hard time forgiving themselves. They don't think they've earned it. They deserved it. They are worthy of forgiving themselves. They need to suffer. None of those statements are true. Forgiveness is for everyone. So please check the link in my bio and get this forgiveness. It's called the Gentle Art of Forgiveness online class, where we teach you, Steve and I teach you step by step how to walk yourself through forgiveness and experience life-changing and health-changing. This will change your money. This will change your health. This will change your relationships. Everything in your life that you may be struggling with, forgiveness helps. So I'm excited. Check it out.